One spinning wheel can completely stop your car. But this hidden system can save you. Today, I'll show you how the limited slip differential turns useless wheel spin into pure traction, stability, and control, and why it's one of the smartest upgrades your car can ever have. There are four main types of differentials: open differential, limited slip differential, LSD, locking differential, and torque vectoring differential. Here are illustrative images showing the four main types of vehicle differentials: open differential, limited slip differential, LSD, locking differential, and torque vectoring differential, along with brief labels so you can see how they differ visually and in construction. Now, let us demystify their differences and how they work. 1. Open differential, the most basic form, lets wheels rotate at different speeds while splitting torque equally. Common in everyday cars. 2. Limited slip differential, LSD, similar to open diff but with clutch gears or other elements that limit wheel speed differences to improve traction. 3. Locking differential, mechanically connects both wheels so they turn together, maximizing traction for off-road use. Similarities. Differences: all types of differentials, open, limited slip, LSD, locking, and torque vectoring, share the same core purpose: to allow left and right wheels to rotate at different speeds while delivering power smoothly, especially during turns. However, they differ in how they distribute torque when traction is uneven. An open differential sends power to the wheel with the least resistance, often causing wheel spin. Limited slip differentials, LSD, partially lock when slip occurs, improving traction. Locking differentials fully lock both wheels together for maximum grip in extreme off-road conditions. Torque vectoring differentials actively distribute power electronically between wheels for superior handling, stability, and performance, especially in sports and luxury vehicles. Why your car needs a limited slip differential, LSD, traction secrets explained. This hidden car part can save you from skidding. How it works, types, benefits, failures. Ever wondered why one wheel spins wildly while the other stays still when your car is stuck? The answer lies inside your differential, and today I'll show you how LSD can completely change your traction, safety, and driving experience. The differential is one of the most important yet misunderstood parts of your drive tray. Inside it lies a powerful upgrade called the limited slip differential, or LSD. Unlike a normal open differential that wastes power through wheel spin, LSD intelligently transfers torque to the wheel with better grip, helping you accelerate faster, corner safer, and drive with confidence. In this video, I'll explain how LSD works, its types, benefits, failures, maintenance tips, and whether your car needs one. A limited slip differential is a special differential system that limits the speed difference between left and right wheels. When one wheel loses traction, LSD transfers torque to the wheel with grip. This prevents excessive wheel spin, improves traction, protects drivetrain components, and improves handling. LSD is widely used in sports cars, SUVs, racing vehicles, and off-road machines. How LSD works: simple explanation. When both wheels have good traction, LSD behaves like a normal differential. But when one wheel begins to spin, friction plates, clutches, gears, or viscous fluid engage to restrict slip. This forces torque toward the gripping wheel. Depending on the LSD design, engagement can be mechanical, hydraulic, or electronic. This automatic response gives smoother acceleration, improved corner stability, and safer driving. You are now fully watching mechanically engaged type clutches, plates, side gears, and satellite gears assembling procedure of specific type car. Types of LSD: clutch type LSD, mechanical clutch packs, strong traction, used in racing performance cars; viscous LSD, silicone fluid coupling, smooth engagement, used in AWD systems. Helical/torsion LSD, gear-driven, no clutches, very durable, smooth, electronic LSD, ELSD, ECU-controlled, best traction management, found in modern sports cars. Vehicle examples: real LSD hardware. Benefits of LSD: LSD dramatically improves traction, especially on wet, muddy, icy, or gravel roads. It improves cornering stability, reduces understeer, increases acceleration performance, prevents excessive tire wear, and protects drivetrain components. That's why LSD is standard in racing cars, rally vehicles, and performance sedans, cornering test, off-road traction clip, racing car acceleration. Common problems: failures. If LSD oil becomes dirty or incorrect fluid is used, clutch packs wear out, leading to noise, vibration, jerking, and loss of traction. Common symptoms include chatter noise during turns, uneven tire wear, vibration, and delayed engagement. Proper oil type and service intervals are critical for long LSD life. Dirty LSD oil, worn clutch plates, noise simulation, maintenance tip: service interval, 9:30 to 10:30, LSD requires special friction modified gear oil. Service intervals range between 30,000 to 60,000 kilometers depending on usage. Regular oil change prevents overheating, reduces wear, and ensures smooth operation. Always follow manufacturer specifications. LSD oil bottle, oil draining, filling process. Who needs LSD? If you drive in rain, snow, sand, mud, hills, or enjoy performance driving, LSD is a powerful upgrade. Daily drivers benefit from better safety, while enthusiasts enjoy sharper handling and faster acceleration, city driving, off-road driving, racing footage. If you love understanding how your car really works, subscribe, like, and share this video.